What are the branches of philosophy? According to one classification, there are three basic branches of philosophy. One of these is metaphysics. Metaphysics is the study of reality, or the study of being. Metaphysicians, not metaphysicists, metaphysicians, ask questions like, and attempt to answer questions like, what are the building blocks of reality? What are things made of? Is all that exists matter? And so on. And a number of more particular questions, such as, what is the nature of a human being? And does the brain create thought? Is the mind the same thing as the brain? Or is there something in addition to the brain that constitutes the mind? And more generally, what is the relationship between the mind and the body? These are questions of metaphysics. Other human questions, such as the nature of free will and whether we have it, and the possibility of life after death and the existence of God, are often studied as questions of metaphysics. Epistemology is a second branch of philosophy. It is the study of knowledge. The epistemologist asks and attempts to answer questions like, what is knowledge and how do we get it? A third branch of philosophy is axiology. This is the study of value. It has two sub-branches. One is aesthetics, the study of beauty, and another is ethics, which of course is the philosophical study of right and wrong. The ethicist asks questions like, what is the nature of moral obligation? How can we tell the difference between what is right and what is wrong? And what is the difference between what is right and what is wrong? And what is the best system of government? Now, there are particular applications of philosophical investigation that should probably be considered branches of philosophy in their own rights. Here are three of them: philosophy of language, philosophy of science, and philosophy of religion, one of my favorites. In philosophy of religion, we ask questions like, and attempt to answer, questions like, what are the arguments for the existence of God? Or rather, what is the evidence for the existence of God? How good is it? And is it convincing? And are there evidences against the existence of God? And what about the problem of evil? Why would a good God allow so much suffering as we see in this world? And other questions that will appear later in this playlist, such as the Euthyphro question and the question of the presumption of atheism.